Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a Too Good To Go. I've tried to get one for the last couple of days, but they kept getting cancelled. But it is 7:15 this morning on the Saturday, and I've got a Greggs, which normally it's the end of trade for a lot of the Too Good To Go's. But for some reason they do a morning one, which is great for me anyway, because I've got some food as well that I can have for today. So if you don't know what Too Good To Go is, it's a app where if a shop or a service has got some food, such as a restaurant, and at the end of the day it's about to go out, instead of throwing it out, they make up some little bags and they sell them on, and you can get a bag for yourself. They can contain anything, you never know what you're going to get in there, so it's always it's a little bit of a mixture of stuff in there. So you might get some stuff you like, you might get some stuff you don't like, but it's normally worth it. I mean, this bag I think cost me £2.49, and it's got £12 worth of stuff in it, at least £12 worth of stuff. So let's get on with the video. So, welcome back. If you could give me a like and a subscribe, that would be fantastic. I'm trying to start getting the channel up a little bit more, start getting more regular videos out, doing travel and food stuff. So, here we are. We've got our Too Good To Go. It's from Greggs. It comes in 2 bags that we've got. It feels that this one's heavier than this one. It looks to be quite a little bit in there. Definitely over 12 quid worth of stuff. So let's start opening it. Still fully sealed. And let's have a look what we've got in the first bag. So first bag looks like it is sandwiches. We have got a chicken, keep refrigerated. What is this? This is char-grilled chicken should I say, oval bite. I mean, them alone are like 3 quid, so I've already got my money's worth anyway with that. That's alright. Then we've got another sandwich. This is it's got to be used by today as well, so 1st of the 6th. And this is the ham and cheese baguette. Again, so that's over 6 quid there, easy. So that's the first bag. Let's have a look what we've got. Just a reminder as well, I paid, I think it was £2.49 or £2.79 for this one. And they're expected to be at least £12 worth of stuff in. So this one is the bigger bag. So we have got, let's have a look. This is called a pink jammy, and I'll open it up. Oh, so it is basically, I'll be eating this, so it's fine. A jam donut, pink jam donut, as you can see there. So that's one bit. Next up, some gingerbread men. So there's 2 in this pack. It's quite a nice little haul. Definitely going to be putting the weight on again. Oh, fantastic. Another one which is sealed up. So let's have a look. So this is cheese and onion bake. Go. So I'll just take this out. There you go, that is the cheese and onion bake, or as most people in the UK call them, cheese and onion pasties. And then, put a couple more in here. Oh, so we've got a second cheese and onion bake, cheese and onion pasty. There we go. So that's pasty number 2. I'll pop them in like that. And then last but not least, these are my faves. These are called Yum Yums. They're like dough battery kind of. They're a bit donutty, and they've got this glaze on them, and they are absolutely amazing. I get these from Greggs all the time. So that's Yum Yum, and we've got 2 in the box of the Yum Yums. So I'll show you the 2 sandwiches well a bit closer. So there you go. That is the chicken char grill sandwich, which is definitely going to be my tea. And I mean, this could be my tea as well, to be fair, because I don't mind eating 2 sandwiches. That is the ham and cheese sandwich as well. So altogether, we've probably got about 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. There's probably about 15 quid's worth of food here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, definitely at least 15 quid, possibly just over. So that's quite a nice little haul for £2, £2.79 I think I paid for it. So this is definitely going to be my food for today, which is quite a good saving as well. If you haven't got the app, it's well worth downloading it. It's on the App Store, it's on the Google Play Store. Just download it. You don't pay until you actually pick up your food. And yeah, it's sometimes you get some little bits that you don't like, but there's definitely stuff here that I do like. So looking forward to eating that. Anyway, that's it from me. Please, like I say, if you can give me a like and subscribe, that would be fantastic, and I will see you in the next one. So here we go. This is just a last little look exactly what we've got. That's the full haul there with both bags. They're empty now in the background. So like we say, those are the Yum Yums, and then we have the 2 cheese bakes, just like that. The cheese bakes are really good. That looks amazing. Well, this is back at the gym, definitely. Also the gingerbread man, I'll use the right way around. There we go, and there's, like I say, 2 in that. And then finally we have the char grilled chicken and the cheese and ham baguette. So char grilled chicken oval, cheese and ham baguette. So that's everything for this haul, and until the next one, see you guys later. Bye bye.